All right, hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaica, and you know that I am your lady Tania, and today I am here doing an update on Mr. Ashley, just passing through to see what's happening. And also I have brought some goodies for them that a donor has sent out. Why the dog not tapping nice? Tapping nice? Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaica, and you know that I am your lady Tania, and I want to thank you for always coming back to watching my videos. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Guys, I am here at the Ashley's residence. I'm visiting, getting an update, and also I have brought some stuff to deliver that a donor had sent to them. So guys, I just want to thank you for tuning in. Remember to share the video, to like, subscribe, and also continue to support the channel the best way possible. All right, so join with me guys so that we can do the update right now. Hello guys, this video is brought to you by the Farmer Parcel Color Activity Book. Get your copy now before it is too late, as they are going really fast. Visit www.chatjamaican.com and make your order now for ages 3 and up. Yeah man, because me love Chat Jamaican, me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it'll go better. Yeah, Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. It look like you don't want to see me and I have a dog out there bite me up. Oh no. Happiness. Stop the noise. Oh my God. So how is everything? Okay. Mrs. Yvonne Patterson, she has sent some things for you. Yes, sister. So you remember when I called you to ask you for the size of the clothes and shoes and all of these things? Yes, sister. These are the things. Yes, sister Tania. So alright, so them tight, so you have to go pull. I don't know how you go work it. Alright, call your son, come help we get them out of the car. It's a lot of stuff. So Mrs. Patterson now, she had sent all these stuff. Come there, right? Yes. Take them out. These are yours. I guess you will know because she sent the clothes, the bags, the shoes. Yes. No, you can't lift up that, it's heavy. You have to carry it one by one. Just take out one by one also, because the box really heavy. And
I thank Miss Yvonne
Patterson
for the donate where she donate me, and I hope she will still remember me. Don't forsake me, and I thank her very much. And I hope our storeroom can be empty. Remember we, and we thank Sister Tania to what he's doing for we too. Thank him. Many thanks. I cannot tell thanks. I know I have a handicap man, I cannot work, I get sickly now. So I thank all who will donate me a little things. And I give God thanks, and I make God bless them all the time.
That can look out.
Yes, so Sister Tania doing in best for us. And I tell Sister Tania, don't listen no way one want to say. For when we was in with sufferation, no one remember. We people may be talk and they never put we pot on fire yet. God, make we can put we pot on fire. They only go on and then say this and then say, but they're not helping us. They're not helping us. So God send the angel come here to we.
All right, go help me now.
Help. Yes.
Come.
Come help you now. All right.
Alright, take up that one. Take up that one. Heavy? May I come here?
What kind of flower this?
Oh, hand sanitizer.
What flower this? Take one flower to me.
Oh, what is it?
Me no know. This is what? That's it, that one.
Is it? Is it? Hold it tight so you can pull. And say close. Oh, this are the check if I right size if it the right size, not true? Yeah, man. Yes, yes, because it's 28 for true.
Yes.
So it's the right size. Shirt.
Why no big Lily?
Oh, maybe I feel my Mr. Ashley. You will know what to do. What this here? Pants?
Man. It's almost a brief,
A brief? Yeah.
Marina,
boxers. Look, some more shoes in this. This not wide.
Try.
That must be it's so wide. Yeah, man. Woo! That fit. Show up your foot, man. The one here we fit to then.
Yeah.
Oh, more clothes for them. More men's shirt. These are yours. But me think, I want bag never did that with your stuff. Away there.
I got this one.
I that no. Oh, it's in here, sir.
That's why it look big. Me know how big I get.
Eh? They have string, you know. So you can draw the string, see there, and it fit perfectly. See your bag, yeah. Have soap in there. There's a take out the soap.
Glad for this bag.
Seller.
I'm glad for this bag. Thank you very much. I never have any. When I have it get old and it will get weird.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for this little bag. God bless you. Thank you.
Them are we fit. Not true. You get towel.
Hey.
Smell nice. Wow, this is beautiful.
Yes, if we fit Delroy.
Yeah, this is cute. Yeah, that looks like a Delroy pants. This is nice. Nice church skirt.
Yes, yes.
Of course it fit. You know what? No tailor man or nothing. Perfect size.
No,
No, so you just iron it.
because this Tania got me up. Yes,
Look how it look nice. And you just put on your white shoes and you're good.
Oh my God.
That's nice.
Oh.
Look at this.
Am I one day?
Yes. That's nice.
Thank that lovely lady.
Yes.
That lovely lady. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Yes, can we go to church? Thank you very much. Thank you. Here you go. Oh.
Those are soap. Degree. These are roll-on soap and stuff. You one can pack up everything. And make them go through and take out their stuff and go pack it wherever. They not gonna have time. Alright guys, so we have Mr. Ashley here, and Mr. Ashley is standing on his legs. How are you, Mr. Ashley?
Well, here to find. Pretty good.
Yes, yeah. And everything is going well.
Kind of trying to come through, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so you walk a little bit. How is the walking? You have improved?
Nobody
walk so fast, man. Yes. So how have the practice been going on?
Well, it's going on alright, you know, but take time, but it's when the rain fall now.
Yes.
Don't try because you take up too much more than the shoes, and it become heavy.
Yes.
But you know, everything going on fine. But
okay.
People on the road want to see me in it.
Yes.
But this time they're going to have to pay for it. And I'm going to give them free.
Why they going to have to pay?
Well, if they want to see movies, then have to pay to see a show. So, well, they want to see food.
Yes, yes. Okay.
They cost them to
yes,
see it.
Definitely.
So, I'm just dying for me to come on the road with it. So, just giving them breathe.
Alright. Yeah. So, it will be sorted.
Yeah.
Alright, so just continue to be strong.
Yes.
And Miss Iso, you know, got some stuff. You want to thank the lady as well?
Well,
Miss Yvonne Patterson.
Miss Yvonne Patterson, well, thank her very much. I don't have a look at it yet. I was here fixing up myself. So
yes.
Grateful for it. Yeah. My new head start on.
It's alright, man.
Jerry, come pick up your feet. I don't want me to you one.
You know, if you pick nothing, all three is fine. Mr. Brown calling me back. Hold on. This is what kind of pear this?
Black skin.
Black skin pear?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's enough. So as soon as it turn red, it's ready. Ready to eat when it turn red.
Bye, bye, bye. Safe travel, bye.
All right.
Take care.
All right.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When we walk through the valley of